All right. How is everybody doing today? Awesome. Today we're going to be reading a book called Too Shy to Say Hi. And while we're going to be reading this book, I want you guys to be thinking about the setting, the plot, and the characters that are in the story. And then just a reminder, plot is going to be, starts with the setting, and then it's going to go to rising action, the climax, which is going to be like the turning point in the story, and then the falling action, and then the conclusion. All right, so today we're going to be reading Too Shy to Say Hi. My dog and I walk every day, just the two of us. We pass some kids out playing ball. Let's go, Barnabas. Come and join us, Shelley, I hear one of them say. My brave dog always wants to sniff everyone in sight. He tugs at me, but I tug back, and I pull with all my might. Barnabas has no trouble meeting friends, hairless or furry. He goes right up and greets them without a single worry. We find a quiet spot at last, beneath a shady tree. A neighbor runs past with her dog. I think she waved at me. What if I imagined it? Should I tell her hi? At home, my parrot flaps her wings in her friendly way. Hi, hi, hello, Lulu squawks. Easy for you to say. The only one who understands eyes me from his cave. He loves his little hideaway, Stan the not so brave. I'm lucky to have 3 buddies with feathers, fins, and fur. I thought these friends would be enough. Now I'm not so sure. When I am back at school next week, I want to give it a go. Will someone want to play with me? There's only one way to know. I stare at myself in the mirror. I wave and just say hi. It feels a little silly, but I know I want to try. In the morning, I decide today will be the day. I'm going to find the courage to be friendly in small ways. I really want to be brave at school, but I'm having serious doubts. I know it won't feel good at all if I give up and chicken out. I've been scared for long enough, and I really want some friends. So I'm going to talk to someone before another school day ends. As the kids come into class, I look towards Lupita's spot. I make myself take a step, but my stomach is in knots. I take a single huge deep breath. This is the moment that I feared. I turn the color of ketchup. What if she thinks I'm weird? Then I open my mouth to speak like I practiced in the mirror. I manage to say the words, "Is anyone sitting here?" Lupita looks up and smiles. "Hi, Shelley. Have a seat." I say thanks, put my things down, and breathe a sigh of relief. Wow, that really worked. This wasn't so hard, I guess. I think I could do it again and worry a little bit less. Soon, it'll be time for recess. No swinging alone again. This might be the scariest part of my mission to make a friend. Things have gone well so far, but what am I going to say? I tap Lupita's shoulder and ask, at recess, do you want to play? Sure. Do you want to shoot baskets or jump rope or play baseball? It all sounds good to me. This is the very best day of all. I don't need to worry and wonder. I don't have to feel so scared. I can smile and say hello without having a speech prepared. Look out, world. It's Shelley. Today went really well. I know I have a ways to go, but I'm peeking out of my shell. The end. All right. So as we read through that story, I want you guys to think about how I said at the beginning about the setting and the characters and the plot of the story. And then we'll gather back together to talk about what those 3 different things were in the story.